So hi, welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica and today I've got my oldest grandbaby here, Tadeo, and he is homesick from school, and so we decided to go ahead and decorate the kids' room for Christmas. So this is going to be my first Christmas video this year. I'm super excited. He picked out the theme. The theme this year in the grandkids room is going to be kind of camping, wilderness, kind of just a fun theme that can go for either boy or girl. So we're super excited. We've already got the tree set up where it's gonna go, and I'm gonna show you what we've got to work with, and then we're gonna get started. Are you excited? All right, let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna start with everything we've got to work with here. Everything in this video was just purchased at Hobby Lobby because we did not have any decorations for in this room. So you can see I've got some little campers, you know, a little truck, little animals, the green for the kind of the forest. It's just kind of a real natural look for the tree. And it's not a lot this year, but we can add to it and every year and just kind of make it fun. We might also add some of this fun garland, but this is everything I have to decorate up on the toy stand. Just kind of fun, you know, little animal. Is he not adorable or what? You know, a bird, these cute little mushrooms, the doggy, star, and then these trees, then these fun signs, this fun little car with the camper, and then these cute pillows. And then I did also get some flannel sheets for the bed that go with this theme as well. I got those from Macy's. I will link that below.
Hurry now, should have been done by now. Seems we're running late. Let's put the food on the table, fast as we're able. Guests are coming at 8. When we're caught in the Christmas rush, it's so easy to lose touch with the true meaning of things and what really matters. Just look up in the December night. There is one star shining bright. It shines on one and all. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on. Simmer down, pass a big smile around. Now that everything is gold, the children hunker down to see what's hidden beneath the Christmas tree. Look but not touch, they're told. When we're caught in the Christmas rush, it's so easy to lose touch with the true meaning of things and what really matters. Just look up in the December night. There is one star shining bright. It shines on one and all. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on. Look up in the December night. There is one star shining bright. It shines on one and all on this cold December night. There is one star shining bright, and it shines for you and me. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on.
That time.
It was so fun to get to decorate with my grandson. He's got so many great creative ideas, and he had so many, he had a certain way he wanted everything put out there, and it was so exciting to see him just kind of put this room together.
Not everyone has got a friend tonight.
It's the time of jingling bells and twinkling lights.
The time of buying everything in sight.
In the scurry of the lovers holding hands.
You're lucky if you have a friend tonight. While the ghost of Christmas present is in every tender heart, the ghost of Christmas past keep too many still apart. Since the ghost of Christmas coming is for none of us insured, for the ghost of Christmas present we open up our door.
That time of year has come and gone again.
It was good on some, but hard on others. Be kind and take care of each other.
Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope we gave you some ideas to put together your kids' room or just really any kind of room. I am so excited for this holiday season and all the Christmas decorations. It is in full force at the house right now. So super excited. Hope we gave you some inspiration, some ideas, and I just hope you have a great day. Thank you again for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
For none of us insured for the ghost of Christmas present.